To the security forces of Zimbabwe, we, the concerned citizens of Zimbabwe, are writing to express our deep frustration and disappointment with the current state of affairs in our country. Despite overwhelming evidence of state capture, corruption, and abuse of power, we have witnessed a lack of action from our security forces. Sarabina Mashoko, Aruga Panapachins, a leaked ultimatum, the security forces of Zimbabwe, not subscribe or like or on the bell icon. TV Namnamo Komchinzi. The level of corruption that is bleeding our state resources is alarming, and the continued awarding of state tenders to cartels without following due process is a clear indication of capture of our state institutions. It is disheartening to note that Geza highlighted that some of your superior are compromised, and this has led to a lack of trust in our security systems. As the security forces, you swore to defend our constitution, which is clear in its provisions, particularly Section 212. We urge you to uphold your oath and protect the citizens of Zimbabwe from those who seek to undermine our democracy and loot our resources. Corruption is the number one enemy of state, and it is being perpetrated with your territorial integrity while you are on duty. We question whether we still have a defense system in our country. If you cannot stop this enemy from within, how can we trust that you can defend our country from external forces if you cannot protect us from internal threats? We implore you to aggregate and act swiftly to address these concerns. Our hopes are still with you that you can uphold the rule of law and defend our constitution. We remind you that our constitution protects everyone and no one is above the law, including the president. Please, if you cannot take your constitutional obligation, then resign and surrender our state uniform. We hope that this message will transform your mindset and remind you of your sacred duty to uphold the constitution and protect our territorial integrity and ensure the rule of law. Thank you. Sincerely, concerned citizens of Zimbabwe. Ndo mashwari kubuda nyongo panguva inoi atikuna ma concerned citizens vari kunyora tsamba kuna ukomana aiwave the ZDF vachinzi imimi muri kuonekwa kunzi muri kutadza kuprotecta the country from my internal forces, my internal struggles, my internal problems, corruption, zvigananda. So imimi tinozokutrustai sei kuti muchazotiprotecta from my external forces dzingava dzimwe hondo kune dzimwe nyika. Tichiona kuti panapa magenerals pamwechete nethe army iri kuonekwa kunzi iri kutadza kuprotecta the constitution from zvigananda zviri kuonekwa kunzi zviri kugrebha matenda zvisina zvazvinoda. Vanhu vari kuuya vachiti zvirinani kuti muresign titore mainforms edu timachengete titsvake vanhu vari serious. Tudze mafungiro enyu pamusoro pekuchallenge wako waitwa the ZDF. Pinda comment section medu tudze mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like and